Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we'll be working with dice. We'll be talking about numbers, we'll be counting with numbers, and we'll even look carefully at the dots on dice. So, let's get learning! Well, have a look what I have here today. Yes, lots of dice. As you can see, they come in lots of different colors and sizes. Have you used them before? Maybe you've used dice when playing a game. Well, what do you notice about this die? It has lots of square faces and, of course, lots of dots everywhere. What could we do with this die? Well, we could roll it like this. And then we could check how many dots are on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could roll it again. This time there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. So today we're going to have a closer look at our dice and explore the numbers that the dots can show. Let's begin with this face. How many dots can you see? Just one, right there in the middle. Whenever we see this face, we know it shows 1. I'm actually going to copy this dice dot onto my board. We can see just one dot in the middle. So I'm going to find the middle on my square, right there, and that's where I'll place my dice dot. There we go, the number 1. I can clench my hand like this, and so it kind of looks like a dice dot. Can you do that too? Excellent. Now let's use our hand to show the 1 dice dot. Ready? 1. Yes. So whenever we see this dice formation, we know that it shows 1. Okay, let's look for another number. This time, this one. How many dots can you see on the die? 1, 2. Yes, there are 2. 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the bottom corner. Whenever we see this dice face, we know it shows 2. I'm going to show 2 on my square. So there's 1 dot in the top corner and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Okay. 1 dot in the top corner and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Let's count them to be sure. 1, 2. Great! Okay everyone, let's turn our hands into dice dots. This time we're going to need 2 hands to show 2. Are you ready? We need 1 dot in the top corner and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2. Great job! So whenever we see this on the dice, we know that it shows 2. Okay, let's look at another number. How about this one? How many dots can you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 dots on the die. And as you can see, they form a diagonal line from the top corner to the bottom. Whenever we see this die, we know that it shows 3. I'm going to show it on my board. I can see 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot in the bottom corner. Okay, let me try that. 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot in the bottom corner, making that diagonal line. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, have you got your hands ready into dice dots? Let's show the number 3. Ready? 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot at the bottom corner. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Yes! So whenever we see these dots, we know that it shows 3. Okay, what number's next? Here it is. How many dots can you see? Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. This die shows the number 4. You can see there is 1 dot in each corner. Whenever we see this, we know that it shows 4. I'm going to show it on my board. So we can see there is 1 dot in each corner. I'm going to show that too. 1 dot in this corner, 1 dot in this corner, 1 dot in this corner, and then 1 more dot in this corner. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, get your hands ready to make our 4 dot formation. Ready? 1 dot, 2 dot at the top, 3 dot, 4 dot at the bottom. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So whenever we see these dots, we know that it shows 4. Okay, here's another face on our die. How many dots can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots on this die. 1 in each corner, and then 1 right in the middle. When we see this, we know that it shows the number 5. Let me show it on my board. So we can see 1 dot in each corner, and then 1 right in the middle. Let me try. 1 dot in each corner. Hey, what dice formation does that look like? 4. So I better put 1 more dot in the middle to make the number 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's time to show our 5 dots in the air. Are you ready? 1, 2 at the top, 3, 4 at the bottom, and then 5 in the middle. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So whenever we see this on our dice, we know that it shows 5. Okay, time for our last face on the die. And here it is. How many dots can you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This die is showing 6. I can see 1, 2, 3 on one side, 1, 2, 3 on the other. I could also turn it and show 6 this way. Whenever we see this dice formation, we know that it shows 6. I'm going to show you on my board. So we can see 3 dots on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 dots on this side, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to copy that now. 3 dots on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 dots on this side. 1, 2, and 3. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you know what to do next. Get those hands ready. We're going to show the 6 dots on the dice. Now this time, we could actually do 2 at a time. 2 at the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. Are you ready? Let's go. 2 at the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So whenever we see this on the dice, we know that it shows 6. So now we know all the numbers that the dots show on our dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, there are lots of ways that you could practice making the dice dots. You could roll a die and then make the dice dots with your hands, just like we did. Or you could use counters, buttons, or any other objects to create the dice dots. You might even want to use a whiteboard and a marker and try drawing them. Enjoy counting and creating with your dice dots, everyone. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.